grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today we have a jam-packed video once again. Janet Yellen is raising the debt ceiling for, or planning to raise the debt ceiling for the 79th time since, when was it since? We'll see. We'll watch the video. But let's get into it. Make sure that you smash that like button right now. If you don't have arms, it's okay. You don't have to smash it, but smash the like button. Yeah, look at the market. I mean, look at the market. All red, basically all red. We've got a couple things still in the green today, but we have dumped down to 1.84 trillion. Also, make sure y'all subscribe and turn off the post notifications. Reminder, we're doing a giveaway of probably like $900 in Solana at 60K subscribers. We have Bitcoin 41,000 right here. Okay, that is not what I want to see. I want to stay above 45,000, and then I want to go to 50K. If we go above 50K, I'm getting pretty bullish there. And one thing, okay, before we get into anything, I want to put this at the start so I make sure that people see it. Okay, you guys realize that if you think that we're following the 2017 and history is going to repeat itself, you guys realize that, like, all of the big parabolic bull run happened in, like, October, November, and December, right? The peak of this bull market here, the peak of this was January 7, right? So if you think that we're following track, right, with that, then we haven't even got started yet. We're still in September 28, right? If you think we're going to follow with this and make this look like a blip on the chart, because, dude, it can do that, okay? It can do that. But what I want to say is we're headed for the biggest financial crisis that the world's probably ever seen. We're headed for one of the biggest crashes the world has ever seen, okay? But that doesn't mean we can't have an amazing pump before that, right? So just take into account, like, the 4-year cycles, right? Take into account where we are in this market, dude. There's a lot of people preaching some bearish sentiment here. But, dude, we're not even in October yet. Like, this is where it all goes down. People want to pump the market. You think the whales and the rich people wanted to pump the market to 64K and take profit? No, dude. The targets, the public targets have been set at like 300K and 500K Bitcoin, right? So at minimum, they want to push this to 80 to 100, right? 70 to 100, I'd say. And then they're going to take their profits, and the whole market will have a blow off top, and you will probably get caught. So you're going to have to be watching closely. All right, whole market red, right? We have XRP right here, 91 cents. As you can see, the China FUD is this big red candle right here, September 7, boom, and we have not recovered since. And by recovered, I mean got back to at least the $30s, right? At least the $30s. We have not recovered on XRP. I didn't expect it to recover because they used this as a manipulation tactic. Quant, 285. If you can get this and catch this on a dip, if you can catch this on a dip to like 260, 250, could be a good entry point. 31 cent Hbar. Electroneum, warning, the news is coming. The hard fork is coming. They're going public. They're adding public features or something like that. I think we covered that before. September 30, fork. There's going to be an exchange listing, I believe, and we will see what happens with the price action. If it goes above and breaks this, okay, I will be taking some profit. If it breaks this, okay, I will be trying to take some profit, potentially. Ultimately, I play it by the day, so you will see. If you're watching every day, there won't be any reason to fret or be afraid, okay? If you're watching the videos every day, you know what I'm thinking. XDC, 13 cents. So we had this big news, okay? This news is legitimately so big, okay? This is huge stuff happening right here. NFT based. I want to reinstate this, right? Let's look at the price action first, okay? As we can see, from September 26, right? September 26 starts, and we just absolutely look at all these. Here, let's go to the 4 hour right here. Let's go to the 4 hour. You can see that we had September 26, right? We had just boom, boom, green, 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 all the way up here. And this was when I was on TikTok Live saying that it would dump on the announcement because nobody's going to understand it or something like that. Like, it's just going to be, like, too crazy, and they're building hype for the announcement so that they can dump. Now, boom, dump, and we tried to go for a recovery, and we tried to break 15, right? We couldn't break 15 here. Or maybe we did. Hold on. Did we close? Or we did hit 15 exactly, right? We did hit 15 exactly. The high of this candle was at 15, which means a bunch of people, a bunch of idiots who set their limits, their sell orders at even numbers. Don't ever set your sell at like 15 cents exactly, because there's big resistance on some of those levels, right? No, don't set your sell thing for XRP at $5 exactly. It's gonna bounce before it hits that, right? So you won't even get your sell. You want to set it at numbers like 14.97, right? 14.93. But as you can see, we did actually hit that, and that probably triggered a bunch of people's orders, and boom, we're back down. But this is some of the biggest news, okay? You guys need to read this. Go to the description and read this article. Trade Tech plus Zinfin. Amazing, dude. Amazing. They're repackaging. Oh, dude. Just read it, dude. It's not that long. Look, this will take you 3 minutes to read. Okay. Natalie? That's an interesting name. Natalie Brunel says the debt ceiling will be raised. Most Americans see it as artificial. Just listen to Yellen. We raised or suspended it 78 times before, so let's do it again, okay? Listen to this, just Janet Yellen looking reptile.
Marks there except to say this. It is imperative that Congress address the debt limit. If not, our current estimate is that Treasury will likely exhaust its extraordinary measures by October 18th. At that point, we expect Treasury would be left with
October 18th is the ending of Mercury retrograde, by the way.
very limited resources that would be depleted quickly. America would default for the first time in history. The full faith and credit of the United States would be impaired,
Watch
and our
this.
country would likely face a financial crisis and economic recession as a result.
Like a Great
We
Depression,
must address
dude.
this issue to honor commitments made by this and prior Congresses, including those made to address the health and economic impact of the pandemic. It's necessary to avert a catastrophic event for our economy. Senators, the debt ceiling has been raised or suspended 78 times since 1960, almost always on a bipartisan basis. My hope is that we can work together to do so again and to build a stronger American economy for future generations. Thank you, and I'm...
Oh my goodness. Okay. So you see what she's talking about, right? This is going to be a huge thing with the Bitcoiners, like this girl right here. Man, you're too pretty to just be a Bitcoiner. Come on. We need these type of boss females in XRP. Come on. We have them. What am I talking about? We have them in XRP. But come on, you're too pretty to just be talking about Bitcoin. Who paid you? Who paid you? I'm kidding. Her looks have nothing to do with this, okay? Shut up in the comments. Shut up. Just shut up, okay? It's just an observation. But yes, this I've been following her for a while. She's very smart and very educated on Bitcoin specifically. But you guys know I don't like these little Bitcoin maxis. Look, the only coin in her bio is Bitcoin. Come on, add some XRP in there. Like, what are you doing? But yeah. So she is saying that the debt spiral keeps debasing our money and makes wealth inequality worse. So basically, the Bitcoiners are having a field day with this, saying that this is a reason you should buy Bitcoin. I do agree. Buy crypto, okay? Buy non-speculative assets, okay? That's what you should buy. And That is what you should buy. Where's my Rosie Rose thing? Hold on. Hold on. Rosie Rose. Rosie Rios. I forgot to pull this up. I was going to lead right into that. That would have been perfect. Yeah, you got to buy non-speculative assets. So I think yesterday David Schwartz told Rosie Rios off and said, you need to clarify what you mean. She says, I want to clarify that while Ripple is committed to the cross-border use case, developers globally every day are pursuing other use cases, including store of value, medium of exchange for multiple blockchain cryptos. Okay. So so she had to clarify, right? And she makes that doesn't do anything to me. She just had to clarify. Now, we have Crypto Airy battling somebody in the comments saying that Lightning Network requires pre-funded fiat payment channels to be open first, which is not profitable. Number 2, the sender and receiver must both be online. Are you kidding me? If that's true, that's garbage, dude. Huge constraints, large amounts not safe, known to lose Bitcoin, not scalable, not available in most of the world. Have you ever tried it? No, I have never tried it. Nathan Roth right here, okay? Nathan Roth is telling you that you're an innovator in the NFT space. You're still right over here where my mouse is. It's true. It's true. 0.09% of internet users own an NFT. There's 0.3 million OpenSea users. Okay, just to reinstate how early we are on NFTs, Chicken Joe right here is saying that Quant has already built their own blockchain. Reminder that Quant is not a blockchain, it's a blockchain operating system, right? Blockchain operating system. This is from 2018. So I believe they have already built their own blockchain and they are trying to announce it when the time is right. If they come out and announce something, by the way, Gilbert, this is Gilbert, the CEO, saying it's something to compete with Hyperledger, right? Which it doesn't have a token attached to it, which means they're really about their business, bro. If there's not a token attached to it, they're really about it. They don't care about money, right? They really just built something because there's an enterprise gap. Moving on, don't ever forget that the Fed had 2 presidents. This is Travis Kling. Travis Kling says, don't ever forget that the Fed had 2 presidents quit yesterday because of how damning the evidence of their insider trading was. And Gensler doesn't want you to get a 4% on a crypto savings account. That's hilarious. We have Miami working on allowing tax payments in Bitcoin. This is the best thing to happen right here. So you don't have to sell your Bitcoin to fiat money. You can just pay the tax in Bitcoin. This is how it should be, right? This is how it should be. Pay the Bitcoin tax. I mean, this is pretty interesting. But yeah, this is the mayor or whatever of Miami, right? And he's saying that they could pay tax. They could set it up. Now, there's CBDC plans advancing in Nigeria with this. It's called e-Naira. I believe the Naira is their currency, and they're going to make an e-version, right? This is all e-versions. And who's involved in this? I don't know, dude. I don't know who's going to be involved in the Nigeria one, right? We know that the digital pound is being built with Quant, Electroneum, and Ripple. We know that the Latin American dollar is being built with Quant. We know that the Bhutan CBDC is with Ripple, right? So it's like, man, it's about to get crazy. All of these central banks are going to launch CBDCs, and we're going to see what happens with them. Now, that is all we've got for today, but we do have a sponsorship. This sponsorship was taken before the Evolved Ape situation, so I must still deliver. But this is a good project, Eschaton, right? Eschaton.cx. Now, let me tell you why I agreed to sponsor them or to let them sponsor me, because this was written by real OpenAI, and OpenAI was founded by Elon Musk right here. Elon Musk, he did resign from the board in 2018, but he remained a donor, right? And this was written with OpenAI. Now, what this is, it's like a battle royale game, okay? Battle royale game. These are the robots. So any project that goes with an NFT game immediately, right? Most of these NFT projects are launching NFTs and then they have a game on their roadmap. essentially this is like going straight out with a game, right? There's only 8,192 robots. Every week they randomly fight with each other, and only one will be still alive. So it's like a battle royale game with these robots, right? And it involves AI. The series, story, and universe is constantly being generated by real AI. So very crazy stuff right here. You can go to their website, join the wait list. I don't believe there's a mint date yet, but you can join the wait list and you can read through their website. To me, looks like a great project. I will be keeping my eye on it. If they put the mint date, I will consider minting one. But we will see what happens with this. It just looks pretty cool to me. Thank you to Eschaton for sponsoring the video. You can watch this little clip right here as well, right? Crazy clip right here. It doesn't look like it's wanting to play, so that's okay. You could go watch that on the on their channel, right? But great project right there. Thank you for sponsoring, and go check it out. So that is all we've got for today. Make sure you follow on Twitter, Instagram, Discord, and that is all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Crawl, steal.